Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and I am updating post-market report and pre-market analysis videos regularly. So hopefully that will be useful for you for your trading. So coming to the point, this is for pre-market analysis for Monday. We have posted a post-market report for today already. Whoever not watched, please watch the video and come back here. So this is pre-market levels for Bank Nifty on Monday, like 20th to 20th February. Okay, so this is the levels which I marked. Okay, based on the current chart and analysis. So this blue levels, right, the important level. So once market breaken from like downside or open above this blue levels, okay, wait for the retracement and then go for long. Okay, like here, like this. If retracement, go for long and trailing your profit here, or else you can wait. If you have confidence, if it is broken as per your analysis, please wait. It will go up to here. Okay, but normally after 50 percentage, please trailing your stop loss. This is for beginners. Okay, for experienced traders, you know already, so you can wait for better target and book the profits. Okay, based on your strategy, you can work. For beginners, I'm suggesting trailing your stop loss once hit your first target or 80 percentage crossing your profits. Okay, so this is for long position, and if the market has opened below this blue line or it is breaking from above, so coming down, then go for short uh, after this retracement from here. Okay, the stop loss will be this red zone, the pink zone here for long and short. Okay, so for shorting opportunity, you can go up to here this level. It will go reach, you can book it after 50 percentage or 60 percentage. You can training your stop loss. Okay, so for the long position, this will be the zone, and short position, this will be the zone. Okay, but we cannot predict like it will open this zone itself. Okay, market will show anything. Okay, so it will break all the levels and go up trend, or it break all the levels and go down trend majorly. Okay, so we cannot able to predict that. As per our prediction, 50 or 60 percentage, we can work on that levels. Okay, today it was worked perfectly, and many people has booked the profit on dear market. So we can just for our analysis, we can how we have to work on our levels and our strategies. Okay, so this is for the educational purpose only. You have to work on your own strategies. Okay, analyze the market charts and then work on it. My levels, just check on your charts and analyze it. If it is right, then go ahead and trade with better stop losses and the risk management. Okay, so that's the important. So for the beginners, please analyze, improve your skills, then enter to the trading. Until please do the paper trading and analyze the charts. I am posting post market and pre market videos. Please watch that videos and check the charts on next day regularly. So you can able to do own analysis and you can improve your skills. Okay. So that's my kind advice on for you guys. So this is a Monday's levels. Okay, so for next week, like weekly pre-market, I'll try to update it if possible. Okay. As of now, this is for only for Monday. Okay. Please note it down and analyze on your own strategies. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you for your support. Hope you will like this video. We'll see you on next video. Thank you. Bye bye.